Ever tried styling something like data-state equals and got stuck on the hyphen? Don't stress. CSS handles it perfectly. Let me show you the clean way. Now let me show you a practical example. First, we'll create an HTML page and a separate CSS file. I've linked the CSS file inside the section. I've added 3 div elements to match example 1. Now I'm assigning data-state values in -progress, in review, and done. I've also added a box class so they look a bit nicer on the page. In example 2, I'm going to show you the special one. A lot of people miss the pipe equal selector. Here I have added lang equals n and lang equals n-us. In last example, CSS does not have a built-in selector that treats hyphens as word separators. So if you have data tags, fu bar bars, CSS can't reliably target only the middle bar as a clean token. Your best tools are still prefix, suffix, or contains and contains can accidentally match other words. If you truly need token matching, use space-separated values instead, like data tags equals foo space bar space baz. Then you can use the tilde equals selector, which matches whole words. Let's write the CSS. First, I'm going to style example 1. Here are the selectors. Caret symbol equals means start with. Dollar equals means ends with. Asterisk equals means contains. Now the styling, if in progress, I added a green border. If it starts with in, I added an aqua background. If it ends with progress, I set the font weight to 700. If it contains a specific word, I added underline text decoration. This is the final output. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please like and subscribe. I've also added the GitHub link. Thanks.